What up, gang? Y'all see me back on the C300 today. So I done took this here shock out so far. I think it might have a little slight bend to it. I got another one I'm gonna replace it with. I changed this back arm already. So today I'm gonna change this upper one and put that fresh shock on there. Y'all see that this boot here is broken. Y'all see that? The rubber bushing. So we're gonna take him out of there. And we're gonna try to get that new one up in there. So comment, like, share, subscribe, baby. Let's get it. Took that fender well out as well. We're trying to get it right. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, baby. We got him out of there. We're gonna install our new one, you hear me? Yeah, that. All right, gang. We got our new one right here, baby. We about to get it installed, you hear me? Let's get it. Uh-oh, they don't look the same. They don't look the same, gang. Well, you know what? I think I ordered two, so I'm gonna go swap it out and grab the other one. All right, baby. I think we got the right one now, you hear me? That's pretty we could get with it. Put our bolt in there. Yes, sir. Let's get it, baby. And this bolt is a little bent, but she ought to get it. Come with a little impact. Yes, sir. Put our washer on there, big washer. Now, get my nut started. Lock it down with these vice grips. All right, gang. Next, I'm gonna go ahead lock this here part down to my spindle. Let's get that on there, you hear me? Yes, sir. We got that in there. Let's throw our nut on. All right, I'm gonna lock him down. So this here how I'm taking this here stabilizer arm off there.
Great question. Tell her, Johnny. Until it's hit. Thank you, Johnny. It keeps rolling and rolling until it's won. Play $2, win 20% of the jackpot.
All right, gang. Let's go ahead and get him installed. All right, gang. Y'all see we got it all back together. Got everything pretty much new. Front arm, rear arm. Now this one here, you see the spot on that washer? That's where we were sitting at before. So they got a stopper up inside. This here housing I had to grind down in order to put it back in its original spot. So if y'all wanna know how to pull this here wheel forward some this way, gotta grind those two little tabs down inside this housing to be able to adjust this control arm. So it's all Gucci. I'm gonna throw this here fender well back in and lock the wheel down. We're gonna set it on the ground.